99% of the calcium is found in the bones and teeth. Unfortunately, as we age, our bones and teeth lose this calcium, becoming weak and brittle. This process is known as osteoporosis and tooth decay. But did you ever wonder where all this lost calcium goes? The most commonly known example of this toxic, displaced calcium is the formation of kidney stones. Increase the filtering ability of the kidneys, which increases toxins in your bloodstream. Deposit in the arteries. This process is called arteriosclerosis and atherosclerosis. When the calcium deposits up along the entire length of an artery, it can cause poor blood flow and high blood pressure. When it builds up in one spot in particular, it can cause a heart attack or a stroke. Every calcification of the brain is partly responsible for the loss in mental function as we age. Calcium also accumulates in the eyes, the breasts, and the prostate. In fact, the only place that calcium doesn't seem to accumulate as we age is in the bones and teeth where it belongs. So, how can all this be done? It can be done with a process called chelation. In fact, this process will not only remove toxic calcium, but it can actually put it back into the bones and teeth where it belongs. Once attached to EDTA, these toxins are made water-soluble, and they wash right out of the body. Another way to think about it is to think of a greasy dish. All the hot water in the world won't remove all the grease, but add a little bit of soap and that does the trick. This is because soap is what makes grease water-soluble. Add the soap and the grease washes right off. It's the same for EDTA and toxic metals. Add a little bit of EDTA and the toxic metals wash right out. Remember, we live in a toxic world, but with chelation, we don't have to live in a toxic body.